Here we have a SAT math question. So let's go to the information. We have a system of two linear equations. In the given system of equations, a p is a constant. If the system has no solution, what is the value of p? Okay, so to solve this problem, let's consider your stuff over here. Let me consider system of two linear equations in standard form. That is a1x positive b1y equals to c1. So this linear equation standard form. So standard form means having the x term, y term on the left side and constant on the right side. Let me consider another linear equation standard form, that is a2x positive b2y equals to c2. Okay, so here we have a system of two linear equations in standard form. If this system of two linear equations has no solution, then the coefficients of x and the coefficients of y must be proportional. That is, a ratio between the coefficients of x and the ratio between the coefficients of y must be equal. That is, a1 to a2 equals to b1 to b2, or we can write the ratios as fraction, that is a1 over a2 equals to b1 over b2. Okay, so now what we can do is we have to write each of the two linear equations in the given system in standard form, so that we can set up the proportion like this. Okay, so let me take the first equation, that is 3 over 2 times y negative 1/4 of x equals to 2/3 negative 3 over 2 times y. Okay, to write this equation standard form, we must have x and y on the left side, constant on the right side. So, but here we have y term on the right side. First, let me get rid of this y term. So for that, I'm adding 3 over 2y to both sides. So when I do so, I'm getting, so here, so when I add this 3 over 2y and 3 over 2y, I'm getting just 3y, negative 1/4 of x. On the right side, so this negative 3 over 2y, positive 3 over 2y will cancel. I'm just getting 2 over 3. So let me write the x term first. Then I'm getting negative 1/4 of x, positive 3y equals to 2/3. Okay, now I got the first equation in standard form. Okay, now let me take the second equation, that is 1 of x positive 3 over 2 equals to py positive 9 over 2. So let me get rid of the constant on the left side. For that, I have to subtract 3 over 2 to both sides. So when I do so, this positive value, negative value will cancel. I'm getting 1 over 2x equals to py positive. When I simplify this one, I'm getting 3. So now we have to get rid of this py on the right side. For that, I have to subtract py from both sides. So when I do so, the positive py and negative py will cancel. I'm getting 1 of x negative py equals to 3. Okay, now I got both the equations in standard form. Okay, since the given system has no solution, the coefficients of x and coefficients of y must be proportional. So that is about right, the ratio between the coefficients of x and the two equations. Then I'm getting negative 1/4 over 1 over 2. And the right side, I have to write the ratio between the coefficients of y, that is positive 3 and negative p. Then I'm getting 3 over negative p. Okay, now let's simplify this one. For that, I'm writing the fraction negative 1/4 as it is, and I change this division as multiplication. Then I have to take reciprocal for this 1 over 2. Then I'm getting 2 over 1, which is equal to negative 3 over p. So 2 goes into 2 one times, 2 goes into 4 twice. So I'm getting negative 1 over 2 equals to negative 3 over p. So this negative can be cancelled. Okay, now I can take reciprocal on both sides of this equation. So when I take reciprocal for this 1 over 2, I'm getting 2 over 1 or just 2. When I take reciprocal for this 3 over p, I'm getting p over 3. So my aim is to solve for p. So for that, I have to get rid of this denominator 3. Then I multiply both sides by 3. Then this 3 will cancel. 3 times 2 is 6 equals to p. So I got the value of p. The value of p is 6.